In the last episode, we learned that everything in accounting fits into 5 categories. I'll remind you what they were. They were assets, things the company owns. They were liabilities, things that the company owes. Liabilities. Don't ask me to spell. Liabilities and equity. We also had income and expenses. These are the 5 categories that everything in bookkeeping and accounting ends up in. They're connected by a formula, by an equation, and it's called the accounting equation. And it looks like this. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. Simple as that. These are 2 sides of the equation. They always balance. Assets on this side always balance with liabilities and equity on this side. Always. It lies at the heart of bookkeeping and accounting. It's why everything always balances. I'll give you a quick explanation. Say a tradie wants to go and buy a ute. It's going to cost $30,000. He's going to put 10 grand in, and he's going to borrow 20 from the bank to pay for it. How would that work? If you're going to have a ute for 30,000, your assets will go up by 30,000. Your liabilities, you'll owe the bank 20,000. That's a liability, and you put 10,000 of your own equity into the deal. So assets 30,000, liabilities plus equity 20 plus 10, 30,000. It always balances. Well, let's rub that out. And let's give another example. Say there's Sparky and he wants to start a business. He's going to put $10,000 of his own money into the business. So his bank account's going to go up $10,000. The bank is an asset. That's going to be $10,000. His liabilities don't go up at all. His equity goes up 10,000 because it's his own money that he's put into the business. So again, it balances. This side balances this side. Let's say he wants to then buy a trailer, and the trailer is going to cost $5,000, but he's going to take a loan out to buy it. So his assets go up again, 5,000, because he's got a trailer. There'll be 5,000, so he can add 5,000 to his assets. His liabilities also go up by 5,000 because he's taken a loan out and he's got to pay it back. He owes 5,000. His equity doesn't go up at all. We haven't affected the equity, and if we add them all up again, his assets are now 15,000. Do they equal this side? 5,000 liabilities plus 10,000 equity. Yes, they do. Always balances. Last example. Let's say he wants to buy some tools with cash. Okay. If he's going to spend, say it's $1,000, he's going to spend $1,000 of cash. His cash is an asset. It's going to go down 1,000. His tools, which he now has, are worth 1,000. They're also an asset. They're going to go up. They're an asset. They're in this column, so they go up by 1,000. So this transaction has just cancelled itself out in the asset column. If we add it up again, that's still 15,000. That transaction didn't affect the liabilities or the equity. Nothing happened over here at all. So they still equal 5,000 there, 10,000 there. This is what he owns, the company owns, 15,000 worth of stuff, which is made up of some tools, a trailer, and some cash in the bank. This is how that was funded. 5,000 from a loan, 10,000 from himself. What about these two? There are 5 categories, that's just 3. How about these? Well, I'll explain. if you take your income and subtract expenses, hopefully you'll make a profit. Sometimes you make a loss, and that profit, we take it and we put it into equity. So it rounds up, it winds up into equity. Sometimes you might make a loss. If your expenses are more than your income, made a loss, your loss is taken away from equity. Again, the result is added or taken away from equity. So basically, income increases equity, expenses decrease equity. So this is why bookkeeping works. It's a self-checking system. It always balances. This side always balances with that side. Next time we're going to look at why do some accounts go up on the debit side, some on the credit side. If you remember T account, say there's a cash account. If you have money going in, this is money going in, goes in on the debit side, that increases your cash balance. If you had a sales account and you made some sales, say 2,000, sales have increased on the credit side. Why is some increasing on the debit, some on the credit? Debit, credit. We'll have a look at that next time. It's a really easy way to remember. See you then.